Hello, my name is Makiko Oka Castro. I'm the creator of the Makiko method, posture balance. In the first video, I talked about what is posture. Posture is energy. So, your posture is your energy. This world divided whole being, which is posture, into three pieces at least, maybe more. Body and mind and soul. So our perception is educated, trained to see divided pieces of our being individually. That's the beginning of the problem in this world. When body and mind and soul are not united, three different maybe intentions divided you. And therefore, that creates frustration, irritation, exhaustion of energy, then at the end, anger or fear. So many of us live with our own hidden anger and fear. That is the cause of not peaceful world nowadays. We must go back to our nature, healthy, peaceful life.